blazer. So our shoulder divided by 2 is 7.7 inches, which is the whole number is 15.5. So I have my 7.7 inches there. So I'll be coming down by 1 inches there, the neck depth, and the neck width I'll be coming measuring 3 inches. So I'll be coming down here for shoulder slope of 1 inches. So I'm going to rule it down like this, and to determine our armhole measurement, I'll be adding 1 inches to the shoulder measurement that we have here earlier, which is 7.7 inches plus 1 inches, which is 8.7 inches. I will measure it down. Then I will come here and measure our shoulder measurement, which is 7.7 inches. So I will come up here to the starting point here and measure our shoulder to bust measurement, our shoulder to waist measurement, our shoulder to lower hip measurement. So I will we take the same measurement here, which is 11.6 here, 18 inches and 25 inches. So the next thing is to take my ruler and rule everything out as I've done already. So I will go back to my measurements and take my nipple to nipple. It's also known as bust span. So I will divide our nipple to nipple. Our nipple to nipple here is 8.7 inches. So our 8.7 inches divided by 2. So we are having 4.25. So this is it here. So I'll pick it. I'll repeat the same thing on the waistline, same measurement on the lower hip line. So after done that, I will make a straight rule upward. So I'm going to come up from the bust line. I'm going to come up, bust point. I'm going to come up by 2 inches there. So by 2 inches, and make a straight rule once again. So this is what we have here, and ensure that this measurement extend there. So in the view of this, I'm going to take our bust measurement, which is 41 inches divided by 4. Our bust circumference is 41 inches divided by 4. So I will divide it by 4. So we have 10.2. So I'm going to add 1.5 inches swing allowance to it. So now this is the back of the blazer or jacket. So I'm just going to pick my armhole cuff. With my armhole cuff, I'm going to cut to that point. So this is what we have here. So after covering it like this, I'm going to come down, take our under bust, our waist measurement, which is 34. 34 divided by 2 will give us 17. So 17 divided by into 2 again, it give us 8.5. So I'm going to take my 8.5 here and take my 1.5 swing allowance. So I will come down to the lower hip. Our lower hip is 43 inches. 43 divided by 4, which is, so here I'm having 10.7. So with this at 10.7, I'm going to come out and measure 1.5 inches for our swing allowance. And right now I will now go back to this nipple to nipple measurement that we measure upwardly. So I will come down to the waistline and take 0.5 here, have an inch here, have an inch on both sides. Then I'm going to rule it down here. You can rule it down directly, or you come down to the lower hip measurement here and you measure like 5 inch. So you can stop at 5 inch, you can stop at 3 inches. So me, I will just be removing something like 2 inches there, and we are good to go. So so after doing this, what we have here, anything you remove, you have to return it back. So we actually remove 1 inch here. I have to return it back at the back of the uh, waistline, so at the back of the swing allowance. So I've returned the 1 inches. So we are going to rule it out, everything we have. So you use your hip cuff to determine the curve here, which is like this. So we want to remove the zipper budge here, which is 1 inch, and this will give our jacket shape at the back. So that 1 inch divided by 2 will give us 0.5, which is half an inch. So I will be picking my half an inch at the waistline, and I will bring it down here to the lower hip, and I will take it up like this. That is that, and now we are going to cut it. So let's say for instance you want to have a shape at the side back, at, at the side of the jacket, so you can just go up by 2 inches, by 1 inches. But for this I don't need any shape, so I'll be cutting it. is the back pattern of the jacket. So I will move forward and start doing the front pattern. So, and we are making a double breasted jacket. So once you make that, take out your plates. Okay, so up here we are going to leave at least 6 to 7 inches above the pattern paper. So here I'll be leaving like 2 inches for now. So I'll be joining. No, I will be leaving like 1 inches for now. I'll be joining paper to later. So I will be coming inwardly with 5 inches at least. So I'm going to roll this straight down. Now I will be taking the shoulder measurement. It's 7.0. See, 0.5 divided by 2. We have 7.7 inches. So I will repeat my 7.7 inches somewhere down again. I'm going to take the armhole measurements, which is your shoulder divided by 2 plus 1 inches, which is 8.7 inches. So I'm going to roll down. So I'm going to take the shoulder slope here, which is 1 inches, and I will come here and take 3 inches for the neck neck width. I'll come down here and take 4 inches for the neck depth. So I will use my cuff to bring it out like this. Now I'm going to slant the shoulder. So coming down here, I'm going to measure the remaining thing we have here, which is 7.7, and divide it by 2. Then we have this what we have there. I'm going to take going by 0.5 inches. Now I'm going to take the bust measurement, which is 10.2. Now plus 1.5 inches to my I need to move this out. Just trying to confirm the measurement. So after rolling it out, I'm going to comb it both way. Okay. Go up, of it. So that's the arm of cuff. Now we're going to take our bust. Shoulder to bust measurement is 11.6. Shoulder to under bust 15.5. Our shoulder to waist is 18. Our shoulder to lower hip is 25. I'm going to repeat same measurement here. 11.6, 15.5, 18, 25. So I'll leave it out. Uh, So this is what we have here. I'm going to take our measurement. So I've already taken the bust measurement there. So I'm going up at the bust point with 2 inches. Just the chest now. So I'm going to take the nipple to nipple. Just this. So I'll move it. So I'm going to come down from the bust point. I'm going to come down by 1 inches. So from the waistline, I'm going to go out by 0.5, which is half an inch on both sides, and draw this. Draw the dots. So this is what we have here. So yeah, so I'm going to take the front measurement, which is the front circumference. The underbust is 32.7 divided by 4. So at the underbust there, I'll take. So I'm going to return whatsoever we have at the middle is half an inch of return it here. Then I will now add swing allowance, which is swing allowance of 1.5. So I'm going to come down to the waist measurement, 34 divided by 4. Now 17 by 2. So 8.5. I'm going to take 25 Then remove what we remove here, which is 1 inches. Then I'm going to add our seam allowance, 1.5 inches. Come down to the lower hip. So at the lower hip, we have 43 inches. So this 43 inches divided by 4. 7 inches, then we add 5 inches allowance to this. I'm going to connect all the sheets together, the dots. So, in the view of this, I'm going to determine our breaking point. That's where I want the button to be. So, I will come down to the waist measurement. The waist measurement, which is 18 inches there. So, I will go up by 1.5 inches. I don't want it to start at the waist point. So, I've gone up by 1.5 inches. I'm going to come out by 4 inches for the double breasted jacket. So, come out by 4 inches. I'm going to roll it and roll it. So, this is what we have here. I'm going to take the back measurements.